don't know, inside I Australian dollar, how much today? $500 peso. January no pool party. Today January 3. It's second working day and third day of January 2026. And I walk now from Georgi apartment to Fields Avenue and show to you what happened, what's new now, how many people you can see also. This area is a popular area for Western tourists. Sometimes they sit in the bars nearby, American Legion also. Some of our subscribers also sit and they say it is cheaper than in other places. Here maybe have girls, I don't know, I never sit in the bars here, I don't know about bars. I know only I always pass by this place and never sit inside. Maybe some of tourists sit with girlfriend, or maybe have girls inside, I don't know. Never tried with bars. This is all bars. I know my brother who died last December, he always sit inside the bar. Thai restaurant today open. This is laundry. Price list 50 peso. Refilling water. Blue Wave. And now Barangay also have the same. Albasio restaurant open until 11 p.m. I don't know, inside very few people inside. Yeah, don't have people inside. Only first customers. Coffee shop open from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. But now time already 4:45. That's why closed now. Rasknop Hotel. Rasknop Hotel is for sale. Kona Night Club open, hotel and bar. Kona open. ABC Hotel. parking ABC hotel, not so many cars. So it's very few tourists now. Oh, again I see Porsche. Expensive car. It's not easy to sell. Gay bar. Divera Hotel.
Right, sir.
USA 5810. And before New Year, same. I think in bus station so many people right now because it's already first day and people maybe come back to province, to Pampanga for work. Lotto. In China also popular Lotto. JJ today not many people. ATM working. Yeah, just take a look. Thank you. Camera? Yes. I show to our subscribers what happened in this Balibago now. Many people in from Mabalakat. Yes, I'm Russian. Russia, but I live in Mabalakat. Already 12 years in the Philippines.
So, magaling naman kayo?
I understand, but I not talk. Little bit. Salamat po. In our place already not allowed muffler. In Angeles I think also the same. Many checkpoints and they remove mufflers noisy. Gadgets repair also, you can buy also iPad, iPhones. 7-Eleven, popular 7-Eleven here. Many people always day and night. Also sell drugstore popular. 24 hours working. This is coffee shop. This coffee shop is from owner of kimchi restaurant owner. I will check in Norma now how much dollar right now, euro, if they say to me. Hello. Excuse me, Australian dollar, how much today?
38.50.
38.50. Euro? Euro.
Euro 68.10.
68.10. Okay, thank you. So dollar 58.45. Okay. Amiga street foods and tacos. This is Teodora Street. Mexican foods. Red Doors Orsu Hotel. Someday I want to check, take video inside the room. This is massage. Many my friends say it is good massage. It's accredited massage. About this massage. It's not massage, it's coffee shop. And this massage open now. Oh, this is Korean coffee shop, have second floor also. It's karaoke. Karaoke. Good if karaoke have. Philippine people like karaoke. Asian people like karaoke, not only Filipino people. MC Cafe. Closed right now. Tomorrow will open. Tomorrow. Today is January 3. Popular hotel. Luxury hotel. 500 peso. 100 or 500 peso. It's 1 hour. I'll take a look. Checkpoint today. This is from Angeles police. It's Pro 3, it's from Angeles near Rotonda. Because now already have, it's not allowed use mufflers, noisy. Indian restaurant, usually empty. Maybe people don't like, I don't know. Maybe I walk wrong time, I don't know. Las Vegas bar closed. Make us working, make us, but still silent here, even inside. Door open, but don't have people inside. I think every bar now very few people because it's still holidays, but even working days, but many people in province. Tequila Reef. Tequila Reef also few people inside.
Balik ka na ba sa Woman Street?
I will ask now in Scorpion about January. Street foods. They sell again fry foods, fry street foods. Oh, big dog. Массаж. Korean массаж. Carinderia closed already, maybe 1 month or 2 months, I don't know. Good afternoon. Do you have information about pool party this month or not?
No, sir, I don't know if they have right now pool party, but now I thought it's no pool party.
January no pool party.
Yeah.
Maybe February, or you don't know also.
No.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So January don't have pool party, you already understand. Because don't have people here. It's not profitable to organize and not so many tourists now. This is back side of Walking Street. Some of bars have door, back door to this street, but I don't know which bar. But I know some of bar have back door. Club Asia. Castle sauna massage. Maybe this massage have also entrance from the walking street, I don't know. Ah, yes, it's Penguin Club. This is Western Fields. Entrance. Western Fields entrance, exit. Fields Plaza Hotel. Fields Plaza Hotel, another gate.